So I'm starting to organize my new tool bag. It's about the same size as the old one. It's just a little bit taller and doesn't have so many pockets around, all around, but we'll see. Hopefully it works. It better work. But the main goal is not to carry on my shoulder or with my hand, so I can, pull it behind me if I need it. So the main concern is if the saws will fit. Let's see. Yes, pretty tight though. Not as good as the other bag. Let's see this one. Need to fit them some different. I've been thinking to buy another saw anyway, so if I can find a saw a little bit shorter would be good. And there's always shorter metal saw available, so we'll see. Let's put this one last. So my crowbar goes in, and pliers, screwdrivers. We should put those here on the side or inside. Let's put screwdrivers, all the screwdrivers on this side. Files. Maybe here. My Knipex tools here, yes, look good. And a screwdriver. Knives. Knife blades. There's a lot of knives. But you always need to have knives. 1, 2. Some blades. Blades maybe go here. Looks like this bag has some serious room. I'm shortly starting it's almost all there. There's plenty of room inside. So where's my hammer? There's a small hammer. I think I'm gonna put the files somewhere else. Try to use the exterior bucket for cheaper stuff. See, put the shoe covers here, rubber gloves here. Do they fit? Because I still need to have a room for other. So let's put screwdrivers inside, like they used to be in my old tool bag. I need to have the bits. Maybe the bits will fit on the side pocket here. Okay, screwdrivers are all in. These needs to be just sitting in the bottom. There's no space for these. For smaller ones, use the side pocket here. Scissors inside. Now the level, let's see. Will level fit? If it does not, I need to cut it shorter. Yeah, it's just a shy. The bag is just a shy of the I mean the older version. It won't go in flat. I have to push it. But I don't like it. Well, actually, no, it might work. It might work. Because this bag is taller. This is my arsenal of pencils. Jeez. Another knife on this side. Loops and glues on this side. In goes the square and the drill bits. Drills. See, everything fits well. Another knife. You know, I might bring some knives home because it's a little bit overkill. WD-40. Need to have something to hang my like carabiner, so I can hang my protective glasses. Glue. You never know when you need wood glue, right? What's that called? I don't remember now. Put it inside so it won't get lost. It's coming together. I must say it has a little bit less pockets, option of pockets, but it still does good. So if I put headlights in here, see, this is what all I have left. Not too much. See, some of the is garbage. So I don't probably need a brush. I mean, I can ditch these plastic bags. I need to have glasses here, set of wrenches. I have extra case for anchors, so these will go somewhere else. Little sandpaper. Well, this you can fit anywhere, so doesn't really matter. And I'm good. So yeah, this is where we're at. See, the old bag had more pockets. 4 separate tools, both inside and the outer side, both sides here. See here, here. So that's that. See, the tapes are going here, so you can have 2 tape measures put in here. You know, I might reorganize some of it, but everything fits well. And you take it like so. I don't need to carry it. Well, it is heavy, but I don't need to take my car if I go to fix neighbors or something. Beautiful.